How do you overcome, or what is the question again? How to handle low views as a YouTuber? Everybody pass through this stage when you upload video and you are the only one that have watched the video. Very painful. There are times where I uploaded video and I just had for 2 months, even some months, I just had about maybe 10 views. There is one where I uploaded, I had just one view for 2 or 3 months. And let me not lie, it paid me. Ha! Jesus, it didn't pay me. But the truth is, how I overcame them is that I knew there's a knowing. But the truth is, how I overcame them is that I thought to myself, if I should be uploading this video for a year, I learned from a YouTuber. I can't really remember his name, but he said he knows if he uploads every day for 10 years, he's going to make it on YouTube. So I just kept it to myself that if I keep doing this thing for a year, sincerely speaking, I will have a lot of views in less than no time. If I am consistent for 2 months, it's enough to get me more than enough subscribers and views. So if you're uploading videos and you're not having views, encourage yourself and don't stop uploading. So the secret to having more views on YouTube is upload content that people love and be consistent. There is surely a reward for consistency. So just try and be consistent. Upload today, even though it's hard. I have just 1 views, upload. I have just 10 views, upload. Just keep uploading, and with time your channel will boost up and you will get the views you're looking for, the subscribers you're looking for, the watch hour you're looking for, and the revenue you're looking at making. Thank you.